What's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best high-ticket affiliate program to make you big money. Now you can see on the screen right here, this is a screenshot of one of my Stripe accounts where I earn money promoting this exact affiliate program. And you can see that I was able to generate $5,500 just from 4 payments, because when you make a sale, you're going to be able to earn a big amount of money. Okay, now you're going to discover the exact high ticket affiliate program I personally recommend after trying dozens of them, wasting my hard-earned money, in some cases time, over the last 5 years. Now this specific affiliate program pays you instant 100% commissions up to $2,000 per referral, and this affiliate program has hundreds of beginners seeing results without spending more than 30 minutes a day. Now be sure to stay until the very end of the video, because I'm not just going to share with you this exact high ticket affiliate program, but you're going to also discover a specific system that will literally give you a done for you high converting funnel, sales video, and follow-up emails to make commissions with this affiliate program even while sleeping, and much more. So be sure to stay tuned, because you do not want to miss this.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
So what are the shocking reasons behind 𝐰𝐡𝐚𝐿 being my favorite high ticket affiliate program? Well, as you stick with me in this video, I'm going to share with you why I truly believe this is the easiest for a beginner, for someone that maybe doesn't have a lot of time. Maybe you've failed in the past with affiliate marketing and you just want an easy and simple program. Now, what is 𝐰𝐡𝐚𝐿? I have a lot of other videos, but essentially what you'd be promoting to people is video training with different packages, okay, ranging in $25 all the way up to $2,000. And what these video trainings teach people is how to build a successful online business. So if you're watching this video right now, you're doing your research on YouTube, maybe you've been thinking about doing affiliate marketing, or you've been doing it for a while and you want answers. Well, because you're going through information on how to have a successful online business yourself, why not promote those products to other people? Okay, they help you, so you want to help other people, and you already resonate with it because you're going through the same thing. You're learning how to build an online business. Okay, now again, like I said, when you make a commission, you get to keep 100% of that commission. So if you make a commission of, let's say, the Vertex Live, which is one of the most popular levels people join at. Now, Vertex Live, okay, when you make a commission, when you refer someone, you are going to actually be able to generate $2,000 instantly. Okay, that very same day you can get the money, because I want to share with you, if I log into my back office right here, okay, this is 𝐰𝐡𝐚𝐿. Now I've been a member for over a year now, and I've literally generated thousands and thousands of dollars very easily just using the 𝐰𝐡𝐚𝐿 affiliate program, and the exact simple system I'm going to reveal in a little bit later in this video, that you can generate these commissions on autopilot. But once you log into your profile, if you go to payment collection method, okay, you can actually choose to collect the payments yourself. And again, when someone sends the money to purchase one of the packages, you get that money directly. There's no middleman, there's no company that you have to deal with. You get that money directly. Now, if I go to custom payment, okay, I put in this box right here how I want people to pay me. Okay, so they can pay me in Cash App, they can pay me in Bitcoin. Okay, I could put my PayPal in there, and then you just go down here and update your profile. And now what happens is, okay, so if I go here, this is what people are going to see, right? Garrett also accepts payments, and now they can pay me, okay, for this package of training through whatever method I choose. So again, if you prefer PayPal, if you prefer, Zelle through your bank, you can put that option. And when you promote this program, this high ticket affiliate program, and someone pays you, you're going to get it through that method that day, okay, instantly. And it's just absolutely incredible. Now, I really love this. Okay, now The training as well, if you were to decide to actually join this affiliate program and go through the training yourself, the training is incredible. Okay, this is one of the tabs. You just go to My Products, and whatever level you join, you just open that level and you can scroll down and there's video training. Okay, really successful people have gone in there and taught, how to get traffic, how to get leads, how to get sales. So you can go through this training, apply it to your Easy One Up business, and start to generate these high ticket affiliate commissions. Okay, it's absolutely incredible. And you can see right here, I'm currently on the leaderboard. Okay, so I practice what I preach. And again, all I'm doing is what I'm sharing on my YouTube videos. So I have other videos. I'll pop a card on if you're watching on a desktop, where you can actually go check out paid and free traffic on how to get people to your Easy One Up affiliate links when you join. Okay, so now what I want to do though is share with you an exact simple system you can actually use with Easy One Up to start to generate up to $2,000 commissions while you're hanging out with your friends and family, while you're maybe sleeping. Okay, so what it's called is multiple income funnel. Now again, I don't want to keep sending you off to other videos, but I do have videos on walking through multiple income funnel, how it works with Easy One Up. But Easy One Up is one of the income streams. Okay, so when you send someone to the multiple income funnel system, okay, they give you done for you capture pages right here. Okay, this is actually in the links tab when you join multiple income funnel. Again, there's going to be a link directly below. When you join this, they give you all these different capture pages. Okay, so for example, this one right here, you would just promote this link. Okay, it gives you a done for you capture page. When someone puts their email in, this system starts following up with people. Now, what happens when someone signs up with multiple income funnel? Well, now the person starts going through these 4 steps, okay, setting up their system just under you. And when they get to step 2, this is where they set up their income streams. Okay, and number 2 income stream in the multiple income funnel is Easy One Up. So as people go through your system, they get to this video. Okay, they decide to invest into Easy One Up. Let's say they invest at the $1,000 to $2,000 level, which again, most serious people do. What you will make instantly is that commission through the method that you chose. Okay, so I use the multiple income funnel with Easy One Up. It makes my life incredibly easy. I spend about 30 minutes a day max doing my standard business operation that day, and then I close my laptop. I may travel. I'm in Brazil right now, just vacationing. I may go on a trail. I may relax on the beach, with friends, and I check my email inbox, my notifications. I see another commission, okay, from Easy One Up just using the multiple income funnel, and I feel incredible, and that could be a very real experience for you as well when you get started today. Okay, so I hope you got a tremendous amount of value on my best high ticket affiliate program. It's Easy One Up. I highly recommend you think about using multiple income funnel with Easy One Up. That combination is just crushing it, not just for me, but from tons of students I've shared this with, from people all over the world. Beginners are able to use this dummy proof, easy copy paste system. Send it, just send people to your links. Okay, and if you don't know how to get traffic, go through my other YouTube videos, and also you can use the traffic source they recommend. There's a tab in your back office. You can click that, purchase traffic directly through the system, send it to your capture page link, and generate these high ticket affiliate commissions. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, my friend. I hope you got value. If you don't want to miss out on my latest step-by-step videos every week, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And again, check out that free video down below. It's an overview of this system, and I really think you're going to like it. Anyway, my friend, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.